Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I totally eat Jamaican food every day. Look. Alright, so this is oxtail, rice and peas, veg, and jerk chicken. Oh, this is my plate. Y'all don't want to see that.
Hello guys, what's going on? While we're eating this delicious food my baby made for me, rice and peas, and what's
They
this
call it
jerk?
rice and beans.
Well, she corrected me. It's called rice and peas, not beans. The texture is different. But while we were eating, I decided I should do 5 things since I've been with her that I learned about Jamaicans, or at least from her family. So we're just gonna dive right on into it after I take this bite. So we're gonna start out with number 1. Her uncle, herself, her mom, and pretty much everyone else I know that are Jamaican that I know personally can cook. The first time I had some Jamaican food, not a restaurant, but actually a home cooked meal, I don't believe in it, but it wasn't from her. She knew who it was from. It was from our friend. Her friend made me a plate because I was going on the road and I was hungry. She made me a plate, and what did she make for us?
Rice and peas.
Rice and peas. Like, it's
fried
simple.
plantain.
Fried plantain. It's simple.
And fried chicken.
It's simple, but it was so good. But when I went to Jamaica the first time, her uncle, he can cook, she can cook, and then her mom made a plate as soon as I got in. So that's number 1. They can cook really good, as far as I know, from the people I know. They can cook good.
It's called spice and seasoning.
All right. Number 2. Number 2 is when I went to Jamaica and I met her mom. I didn't know literally all her relatives was all in the same neighborhood.
Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?
Where she grew up and where she, currently had resided while she was there at the time. Like literally walking distance. Aunt is right there across the street. Auntie, uncle back home where she grew up. Mom right here. Grandma across the street. Uncle down here is uncle. I was like, that is sweet. Like, we here. Yeah, my grandma, we had a neighborhood where we knew everybody in the neighborhood.
Everybody's in different states.
Yeah, but most of my family in different states.
Different township. Different county.
Yeah.
What else do you have? Different cities.
Yeah, but when I went there, literally, if I needed some sugar, anything, I could literally walk across the street. They wasn't cooking here, somebody was cooking over there, somebody was cooking over there. So I think that was a beautiful thing and something that I haven't experienced. So it was an awesome experience.
Yeah.
So
you can in Jamaica, you can't go hungry. If you go hungry, you want to go hungry because you can pick a fruit, or you can go by your neighbors, or make your own food.
So that's number 2. Everyone just live together, like not live together, but live in the same area, like walking distance. Awesome. So that's a beautiful thing. Number 3. I don't know if your mom is the only person like this, but when I met her mom, actually before I even physically met her mom, the first time I seen her or talked to her mom was over FaceTime. Her mom acted like she knew me all my life. She was like, "You're my son-in-law?" Like, I just said hello. She is so welcoming, just over the phone, just talk to me. But when I finally met her in person, this kind of go back to the last thing I said. She took me around town. Everyone knew her, and everyone knew her daughter. And if you know them too, and she's introducing you, you're pretty much already family. Like from I think the people, the market, people in the market where they sell fruits and vegetables and stuff from the garden in the yard. The house is yard, right? Yeah, yard in Jamaica. They call it yard. But she introduced me to everyone. Well, I don't know if it's everyone, but it seemed like everyone she knew. There was at least 100 people, not a dozen. It was at least 100 people. She's like, "This is my son-in-law. This is my son-in-law." Like, her mom was so welcoming. Everyone else, they treated me like family. The very first time I went, normally you meet someone new, they welcome you, but it's like kind of a casual welcome. she treated me like family. It was awesome. I was wondering why she left me like that, because she was like, "Oh, you're in good hands." Like her uncle, everyone was just so welcoming and nice, and I learned that about a lot of Jamaicans.
I wouldn't let you go by yourself, because as soon as you open your mouth, they add an accent. I'm sorry for you. You're gonna be broke when you get back in the house. But I let you go with my mom.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Your mom's awesome. Shout out to your mom. I hope she watched this video. Yeah. But what's that? Number 3?
Yeah.
Number 3. Okay. Number 4. Outside of her family, when we went to Montego Bay, did we go to Portmore? What is it called? Portmore?
We went Ocho Rios.
Ocho Rios and other places.
Portland.
Oh, Portland, yeah, Portland. Just the people that's outside of her family and stuff, they were still nice, very nice, and they treated me like family as well. And yeah, it's pretty much like they all treat you like family. They're nice people. Yeah, there's people that are trying to sell you stuff, but that's people here that try to sell you stuff anyway. But that's because my accent. When they, like she said, when they hear my accent, oh, he's American, he's a tourist, let's sell him something. Which by all means is still cool. They have nice shirts and all that stuff. But they still treat you good. But number 5, you already know I'm going number 5. Number 5, I don't know of all, but everyone I met, look, hold on, I gotta say it like this. Everyone I met, I thought their names that they told me their names were actually their names. I'm sitting there going like this, and then just saying, hey, yo, so-and-so and so-and-so. Then I hear someone else that knows them by their real name call them out. I'm like, wait, what is your name? That's your middle name? I'm like, no. But I told you that was my nickname. Everyone there, I don't know if it's everyone, but have nicknames.
I don't know how the story goes, but most people in Jamaica, they don't go by their government name or the name on their birth paper. It's like, you have a nickname. If you're fat, it's Fatty. If you're small, if you're skinny, you're skinny. And then you have, if you're just a regular folk like me, fat nor skinny, you have a nickname. Like Suzanne, Suzette, John, Paul, Juba. And that's not your name. That's not your government name at all. But that's the name that you go by at school, in your community, outside of your community, in your parish. So
awesome.
yeah, I don't know how that came about, but majority, if you meet someone, hi, my name is Shudean, ask them what is their government name. My government name is Renee. Everybody call me Shudean. Don't know where it came about, but that's how it goes in Jamaica.
Well, I guess their nicknames is more clever than mine. My name is Sean. They just call me Little Sean. That is because I'm a junior. That's the reason why. So when I heard their names, I'm like, that is awesome. Like, y'all like a 007 group. Like, y'all go by code names. But I think that was awesome.
So number 5, man.
That was number 5.
That was number 5.
Well, I think that was number 5.
Okay.
Yeah, I think number 1, I think was how you guys all like community.
Cook.
Yeah. Oh, cook.
And then you said we like a community vibe.
Yeah.
And then you said a nickname.
Yeah. And then just beautiful people.
And we welcoming. Okay.
Yeah, beautiful people. Like just everyone was nice and friendly from the time oh, this is an extra one I gotta say. This is just off the top of my head. When you get on the flight and you land. Wait, all right, look. If anyone has gone to Jamaica, you already know what I'm about to say. But I'm just gonna tell you this: when we Americans, as far as I know, is the flights I've taken.
Yeah, when
I
y'all get out the flight,
we
like
just,
take your
headphones
on,
wake up. We just walk out quietly.
So
Hold on, I gotta say. You gotta help me with it too. We gotta reenact it.
Okay.
When I landed in Jamaica, look, she didn't even warn me this is gonna happen. I'm sitting there chilling like this. The first time I went, And then we land. I'm sitting there thinking like, hey, everybody they start clapping. I'm like,
Thank you.
I'm sitting there looking around like, is it a celebrity on it?
No.
Like I'm sitting.
We gotta applaud.
Yeah, they like in unison,
Yeah.
like we in church together. I was just like, I was cracking. I was like, but it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Like it was a good experience. Although it's the same flight, but just that it's like they, like back home, they're like community, like a culture all together. Even on the plane, the same. So it was beautiful. It was also something different to see. But those are 5 plus I added one I added in there because it just came off the top of my head.
Yeah.
But oh man, we're gonna finish eating this food. I just want to give you my 5 things I learned.
And then
Jamaica.
I learned 5 things as well. That's gonna come in the next video.
Yeah.
But yeah.
If there's anything that you want to share, so you have any Jamaican friends or you've been to Jamaica, not the resorts. I'm talking about actually been to Jamaica.
Outside the resort.
Outside the resort and actually know someone, and you can just share in the comments what you have learned, maybe something that I haven't seen or experienced, but I really like to know. Make sure you share this video if you like it, give us a like. Until next time. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, Sean and Shudean, if you haven't, if you're a revisiting subscriber, or revisiting person you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you're notified when we post another video.
Professional. I don't know what to say. I was like, bye guys, come back next time.
All right now. Bye-bye.
We top of the world. This is Jamaica.